Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring access. Log into your Koko account with the method you normally use, because deletion requires authentication. Once logged in, make a quick backup of important chats or attachments. The app permanently removes them. Also, check linked services and any active subscriptions and cancel them now, since refunds or transfers are rarely possible after deletion. This initial step prevents lost data and billing surprises, and it gets you straight into the account settings where the deletion option lives. Next, navigate directly to Profile, then Settings, and locate Account or Privacy. That is where the delete control sits. Tap Delete Account and read the warnings. Koko often lists what is removed and whether data is retained for a grace period. You must authenticate. Type your password or enter a 2FA code and confirm via the linked email if requested. Once you confirm, the app queues the deletion. This is the crucial middle step that triggers permanent removal and any cooldown timers. Finally, accept the last confirmation prompts and wait for the success message. This indicates Koko has processed your request. Make sure you receive a confirmation email and save it until you verify the account is gone. If the app reports a delay, log out and try logging in again after 24 hours to confirm status. If deletion fails, re-authenticate, clear app cache, try the web portal, or contact support. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves permission, session, or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.